Does your car have seat warmers?
Yeah.
Does it have the heated steering wheel? No. What a fucking loser.
Yours does?
Yeah.
It doesn't have a V8?
Extendo clip.
You tell me this isn't the V8?
That just sounds like an accident waiting to happen.
Welcome back to the channel. We did pretty good on our last video, again, but we were looking at a little bit of the numbers, you know, we're looking at some analytics. Do that meme where it's like that lady with all the numbers popping up in there. Ricky, you want to explain on kind of what we saw?
I mean, I was burning the midnight oil, you know, looking through the numbers, doing some math, carrying the ones and shit. 69% of you, nice, are not subscribed. So like, what's going on here? Bring you some content, make it funny. You still not subscribing? What's going on?
Yes.
When do you talk to me?
If you're watching our channel, you might as well subscribe. You like the content. We're funny, I think. I hope. Just hit it with the little subscribe button. That's all we ask.
It's just not favorite.
Yeah, it takes 2 seconds. But either way, really appreciate the views. Really appreciate the comments. The new subscribers as well. We went from 39 to 53, which is a huge jump. Today's video, it's gonna be a to be continued from last video. We're gonna hit you with all of the montages that went wrong. And a lot went wrong.
This is going to be a blooper reel of Gio's install. We're in the back of that car for way longer than we needed to figure out stuff.
Yeah, there's that one point where I was in the trunk, Ricky was in the trunk, Ricky's dad was in the trunk, Dylan was in the trunk for whatever reason.
We were packing that trunk like it was a clown car, dude.
We'll see you guys back after the montage. Alright guys, so this is my OEM Hellcat style spoiler. Thing about it is, it doesn't fit my car. So we're gonna have to drill holes. When it said OEM, I thought it meant that it would attach to the holes that are already in my trunk, because a lot of you don't know, but I have a stock RT spoiler on it, and that's pretty much kind of like molded into the car.
You tell me this isn't the V8?
Like I said, this is the spoiler. It's gonna give it a nice, more aggressive look. I've totally worked on the back a lot more than I worked on the front. So like from the back, it's like super aggressive, and then you get to the front and it's like mom car. Hopefully we get the front bumper soon. I already kind of started a couple days ago. I took the liner out already, mainly because I did my research and the adhesive that Dodge uses takes a whole day to come off. So currently this is just being held by 2 bolts, and I'm surprised it hasn't flown off. But with that being said, we're just gonna get started. Gotta be careful though, because if I drop these nuts into my trunk,
You're not getting them back?
Yeah, I ain't getting those back.
Yeah, don't drop your nuts.
Please enjoy this next ad break from our cameraman, Dylan.
Nuts. Well, we can't see what we're doing. We don't see where the holes are. Well, let me clean it first and then we can unwind it.
Okay. We'll just get a carbon fiber trunk.
If I fuck it up, we'll just get the carbon fiber trunk. It'll be fine.
I honestly feel like that looks weird. What? Just a whole trunk or a whole hood, just carbon fiber.
The hood looks sick.
I don't know. I've seen it in GTA and it just doesn't look good.
What's up? What's your penis?
Not personally.
Alright. I was all like, I bet you $10 that even if, I mean, because I said,
It's adhesive.
the thing that I said, I was all
Yeah,
like,
we'll have to take it
Transformers
off
just
the-
isn't relevant right now.
Huh?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You gotta listen to the whole time.
No, he wasn't listening to me.
I heard Transformers in Rocket League,
No, it's fine.
and then I got lost. Yeah, that's how I want it, like that.
And then we just mark it.
Marker.
Put that. Okay.
I'm so scared. You should probably get that out, my boy.
That's a straight chunk of middle of my finger.
I guess we probably should have used gloves.
Well,
So
we're past the point of running over.
we're not going back. We're doing it. We're fucking doing it. I don't give a fuck. No, well, I do give a fuck.
No.
All right, boys. Hole number
Just
1.
remember, that's just your pilot hole before we start actually drilling the other ones.
How do I know if I got it or not?
Is that bare metal?
Yeah.
Yeah, then keep going.
Keep going. This is really the point of no return. Here we go.
That was so
Tighten it all
easy.
the way.
Yeah.
Proceed.
Shit.
I'm bleeding, boys and girls.
The inside too. Oh, did we just lose something? Or did we just lose? It was a bolt.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah.
It's stuck in there, bro.
Let's go.
Big frame. I can't fit it though. They're not.
Come on, man.
What the fuck? Oh, this sucks. I don't want to do this anymore.
Come on my end, bro.
Dude, I don't know what the fuck's going on with your drill.
Stop.
What?
Stop.
What?
Stop.
How long do you think that adhesive is gonna hold?
Well, you just want to balls deep it with adhesive across the line except for this
Adhesive
here?
and then bolt that one. Update, we can't put my spoiler on. The adhesive I got is one-sided, and the holes, we can't get to it to screw it in. So, for example, if we pop the trunk,
We don't have enough clearance to get in there.
yeah, we
and
can't,
screw it in.
because everything else is just welded on.
So you can at least get to that one, but not.
Fortunately today, I will not have a spoiler. Damn, well that's upsetting. Grab the spoiler, let's see how it holds up with one bolt. Let's see how it holds up.
That just sounds like an accident waiting to happen.
Line it up. You're not lined up. No.
I can't tell.
Son of a bitch. I thought I had it. You heard it.
Yeah. It's not screwing in.
I know it's not. I don't know why.
Yikes.
That is not gonna hold.
No. We need those other holes.
That looks good though.
Does look
I
good.
mean, we can try it.
How are we gonna get it, bro? You saw how hard this was.
I know, but like, we're in too deep already, boy. We're gonna knock you out one of these.
Alright, well we just got back from AutoZone because Ricky wouldn't let me give up.
We already got one bolt in. Why give up now?
You know, when things go wrong, I give up, okay? Can I have a
That's
swig
my-
of that, by the way?
That's my mentality.
Thanks, dude. So we got a magnet in the case that we lose a bolt, which we already did. Here's what else we got. These are little like bendable things, and then we also got this.
There's so many. It's already ridiculous.
Extendo clip.
Why don't you hold it with the hook that we have? Yeah, maybe.
Oh shit! You big brain. Yeah, I forgot it does that. It's not gonna go on straight. Well, ladies and gentlemen, Gio's currently in the trunk trying to solve our problem, which is gravity. We'll see how this works. No, it's definitely gravity. If we drop the screw, it's going into your trunk. Well, gravity and we'll say the laws of physics, biology.
Hey guys.
Taking pictures all day.
Yeah.
Get some good ones.
Yeah.
Oh, he's hiding in the.
You can't get the screwdriver in there, huh?
Unless you got a mini one. I think I could probably get it with this small ass one and like get up in there.
Oh, I hear it threading. Well, righty tighty. Come on, man.
Para acá. O para acá.
Here you go.
Okay, cool. That's all I needed. All right, we're good.
I'm not letting go. Yeah, I'm not letting go, Jack.
Too fucking old for this. Alright, we gotta make that shit a little bigger.
Back to drilling time?
Yeah, this is your favorite part.
Fucking hell.
So Ricky's gonna try now. I'm really running out of ideas here. I really am.
Hey, it's that scene of Spider-Man. Give him a kiss.
What the hell? Not on camera.
Cut the camera.
Yeah, you gotta subscribe for that. Some shit's a fuckload of tape so it doesn't fall out.
If this doesn't work, dude, I'm out of ideas.
So long.
Do we have a longer drill bit?
We're gonna have to drill from the inside.
What would you do for a Klondike bar? It's dancing around.
Yeah, it's getting too much.
Let go. We've been at this for about...
All day.
Yeah, none of us have eaten. I'm frustrated. I think Ricky's frustrated. Dylan's here.
I'm just hungry.
I feel defeated. I feel very defeated. Think he has any ideas? Ask him. Fuck it.
And we'll be back. So, Ricky's dad literally just came out there and full sent it on making a new hole.
Yeah, dude, he just kind of just winged it. But luckily, there's a car cover that covers all this. So
Right? That's okay, because now we could get there.
if it doesn't, then, dude, honestly, I give up. I'm done. Marker. Okay, so that was a bust. Could not get my spoiler on, unfortunately, so I am returning it and I will be ordering a new one. That's life, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't. It is what it is. You live, you breathe, you die.
Pay taxes.
Exactly.
That's how the cookie crumbles, unfortunately.
2 hours of trying to think of ideas, and dude, every idea that we thought of completely failed. Like, completely. Drill the hole, tried bending tools. Like it just
At a certain point, we're just taping tools together just to turn.
just to turn it, and
It
it's
was
just
too small of a space.
On the bright side, we did get Ricky's spoiler on, so that's a plus.
Marker.
So as you guys had just witnessed, everything that went wrong with my spoiler, and a lot went wrong with that spoiler. Then again, I did cheap out and I got $100 on it. So that's my bad, my fault.
A lot of fuck ups, a lot of like drill here, a lot of what if we do this but make it smoother or something. It was just a long day after that.
Yeah, there's a lot of holes in my trunk that shouldn't be there, but that's okay because the lining covers it, so it's fine. This is in fact my new spoiler. The reason we didn't film the install is because it took 20 minutes to install. Literally, it matched perfectly with the OEM holes, so it literally was just like 4 bolts and it's done. This is the brand new one. It is a wicker bill extended Hellcat style spoiler. I do like it a lot.
Like a beautiful day in August, I get lost in your frequency when I'm not recording. Like we could do this frequently and end up like the Lawsons. You knows that I got you like you got me every so often. I'm into your passions like what should I invest in? You don't need a camera like to show off your perfection. Standing in a mirror like damn that ass is cuffing in those jeans and I'm genuine.
It doesn't look as cool as Ricky's spoiler, don't get me wrong, and it's not as big as it and not as big wang, but I like it. It gives it a more aggressive look.
At least your trunk opens. Mine it gives a little push and that's it. Ta-da.
Yeah, mine's lighter than the carbon fiber one and cheaper.
Don't look in there.
Y'all want to see a dead body. Ricky had this idea. I don't know if we're gonna do it or not, but he wants me to put LED strips underneath here that are red so that this plastic bit glows red. It sounds pretty cool. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I don't know how it's gonna look when I do it, but
Let me know in the comments. I can do it. It's easy.
yeah, let us know in the comments if you think that would be a cool look or if you think that'll just rice the car out.
Nah, I think it'll look cool.
You think so?
I think at night it'll look cool.
But yeah, I mean, that's gonna be pretty much it for this video. We do have an event that we are going to in 2 Saturdays from now.
Just about it.
Yeah. So stay tuned for that one. We're gonna be seeing a lot of cool cars. Hopefully we can get some in-person interviews.
If you guys get this video, get it going to more views, maybe get some more subscribers, maybe we'll do a giveaway.
It's a pretty cool giveaway in my opinion. I kind of want to keep it for myself. let's make a view goal. Let's do at least 100 views. At least
115. Give me those extra 15.
Word. And again, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment what you guys want to see too. Honestly, if you guys want to see something specific, give us ideas. This has been Grim Racing. I'm Gio.
Ricky, signing off.
Deuces.
Blushing, but understand without you, girl, I'm really nothing. Take away these